wait for you guys to get in the frame.
Okay. We're in frame now.
No, you're in the frame. I'm in the frame.
Excuse me.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1.
Hey guys. Hey guys, it's Aaliyah
And Jay.
and we're back from almost 2 years of not posting.
Can you stop? That was so cringe.
Shut up. But yeah, Jay moved out, so we don't.
Oh
really
my
do this
god,
anymore.
you're doing too much. Cut that out. Cut that out. Cut that
And then quarantine happened, so yeah, but we're back.
Cut that out. We don't need. These people don't need to know all that.
But today we're gonna be cooking and we're gonna be making.
We don't need to say any of those things. You just see, hey guys, what are you saying? Today we're making crispy Cajun chicken sandwiches. That's all you
From
say.
HelloFresh,
Right?
not sponsored.
Alright, that's what we're gonna say. Okay, do it again.
So this is everything it comes with. I already chopped and minced a little bit of the pickle as in the directions for the secret sauce. So we have the sauces that it came with, and then seasonings, and then bread. It even comes with potatoes, flour, and cornstarch, and some other stuff in there. So let's get started. So Jay, can you wash the potatoes that are in here? And we already preheated the oven, so 425. So now, flour. Even comes with flour, cornstarch, buns, some hot sauce, the secret sauce. Super excited about
Am
that.
I gonna put these in a different bag because they're gonna be wet and then they're gonna like.
No, put it in like a strainer or something and rinse them off.
Okay, I don't know where strainers are.
Go to the right, correct place.
I need to put them in
It says reuse me, so you can put all the trash in it.
Why would we reusing it
It's-
and putting the trash in it is different?
What kind of?
Wow.
What are you doing?
What
What are you doing to the potatoes? Why are you popping their pimples? So now that Jay has washed the potatoes, it says to cut them into 1/2-inch thick wedges.
So you have to peel them?
No,
Okay. Just like that? Or
no, like wedges.
wedges are like this, right?
Yeah.
This seems dangerous.
Then don't cut like that.
Don't cut your fingers.
Why are you cutting them like that? Just
No,
cut.
face down.
Yeah, face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't cut wedgies in a long time.
Wedgies.
Wedges.
Wedges.
Wedgies.
Wedges.
I haven't cut wedgies ever.
So the next step is we need a baking sheet to put these on. So we're gonna bake them, not fry them, which is
know where the
kind of healthy.
sheets are.
Goes to the right place again.
Doesn't matter.
You can do it. I don't like the oil. Fine, I'll do it.
I've been doing 90% of the work. I already cleaned the table.
You need to cut that out because those are disgusting.
Like what? Those are the gravy cubes for Alex.
is this?
The gravy cubes for Alex, so we can have juices for
Hide it.
it. Yeah. So now we're gonna put them in the oven at 425 for 20 to 25 minutes. Probably not gonna be enough. Okay, so now it says to make our sauce, which is 1/4 of a teaspoon. Oh, sorry, 1/2 a teaspoon of sugar for us. Mayo. Okay. Both mayo packets. Delicious.
What's wrong with mayo, Jay?
All of Jason's favorite things.
What?
And pickle.
I'm just chilling, okay?
Pickle's less than. You just like. Yo, just get the sauce, bro.
It smells like mayonnaise.
Yeah, we need more hot sauce.
It tastes like mayonnaise.
And seasoning.
Tastes like mayonnaise and hot sauce. That's what it tastes like.
So, guys, Aaliyah just tried to compromise the recipe. We're doing the real recipe now. We need any extra stuff.
It's better.
It does taste better. It's more acceptable. You want to taste it?
Okay.
Why not?
Sauce done.
I'll
So
eat
now,
my sandwich. I'll eat it when I get my sandwich.
in a medium bowl, combine.
Put on a sandwich.
In a medium bowl, combine
Four
all.
Medium bowl.
Combine. Now we're adding 2 tablespoons of water and all 4 packets that it comes with of sour cream.
I mean, it's so delicious. 10 out of 10.
It looks like curd cheese.
Why are you mixing it with that?
Wipe
Don't
that
mix
off.
it with that.
Wipe
I'm
it
not.
off.
I'm gonna wipe it off.
Is that clean paper towel?
Yeah, I just used it to wipe off.
That literally looks like if you didn't mix regular sour cream.
It does. Okay, and now we need a shallow dish, and we're gonna add the flour, the cornstarch, and half the Cajun spice, and salt and pepper into our thing for breading. Okay, so we had to add 2 more tablespoons of water. Jay mixed it up so we don't have to, so we spared you the nastiness. It's more liquidy. This is the seasoned flour. I added 1 packet of Cajun seasoning and all the flour and cornstarch that came with for 4 servings, which we're doing. So now after this, we're just gonna grab chicken and bread it. So these are the chicken cutlets that it came with. 2 packs for 4 servings. Hopefully it's enough. But we're gonna start breading. First sour cream, then flour, and then it's ready to fry.
Have to use this.
Okay, so
You could add
we
extra
rinsed off
Cajun spice.
our chicken and we patted it dry. This is what the Cajun seasoning looks like. Really good. It comes with garlic, smoked paprika, oregano, thyme, basil, onion, cayenne, and cayenne pepper. Okay, so now we're breading them with sour cream mixture first, then the seasoned flour, and then back to the sour cream and back to the flour. So pretty much double breading. This is the one that we already did. We might need to use our actual sour cream because there's probably not gonna be enough for double breading. But okay, so now we have all our chicken pieces breaded. We did really cut it close with the sour cream. We still have a good amount of flour left, so now I'm just gonna clean up, clean our hands, and then we'll start frying because we already preheated our oven. Sorry, deep fry.
Stop making weird movements.
It's weird. Okay, so we have our chicken breaded. Our deep fryer is preheated. You can use also a pan filled with oil. We removed the baskets since it's breading, and we're ready to fry. So let's put them in. Should be fried. Well, our deep fryer is pretty big, so we should be able to fry all of them in one batch. And just wait until they're done. It said like 5 to 7 minutes, but just wait until the chicken is 165 inch room temperature. Okay, so chicken is ready. This looks really good. hopefully it
Let me
tastes
check
good.
on
The
that.
sour cream. Hack for yourself. Every time something comes straight out of the fryer, season with salt. Just gives it that extra mild flavor. Just lightly season. Yeah, get all that.
Yeah, these should be good now.
Okay. Potatoes are ready, so it's time to assemble.
I need another.
Potatoes are ready. Really good.
Are the edges touching the table?
Okay, so now we cut the buns. Now we're going to brush them with butter. We use melted butter instead of softened because we forgot to soften. Okay, so we toasted our buns and we put some cheese on. So now it's time to assemble. Just gonna take some sauce, put it on. It's gonna take a second. Shut up, Jay.
Well, these are actually dirty. Messy. Clumsy.
Yeah, putting a good amount of sauce on here. Then we're just gonna put it on. No pickles, because pickles are nasty. Jay is
You know,
already
if you do it right, you get this
Looks
as the
really
end
good.
product. Right?
I'm just gonna take some potatoes. These also
Potatoes?
look really good. Fries, whatever they're called.
You said potatoes.
Shut up. Yeah, so this is not sponsored by HelloFresh, but it's really good service. This is our second meal. But yeah, let's try to.
HelloFresh,
Good
sponsor
service.
us. Sponsor us.
Good service, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, good service, Kate.
I'll put the fries in.
Great service.
Okay, well. If that was the video, make sure to like
Comment.
and subscribe.